In the world of data science, training a model is a crucial step that transforms raw data into actionable insights. This process involves feeding data into a machine learning algorithm to help it learn patterns and make predictions. The Python SDK v2 offers a robust framework for this task, providing tools and libraries that simplify the model training process. This presentation will guide you through the essentials of using Python SDK v2 for model training, covering everything from data exploration to model evaluation. Python SDK v2 is an advanced software development kit designed to facilitate machine learning tasks. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for data scientists to build, train, and deploy machine learning models efficiently. With its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, Python SDK v2 makes it easier to manage the complexities of model training. This SDK supports various machine learning frameworks, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, making it a versatile choice for different types of projects. Before diving into model training, it's essential to set up your environment correctly. This involves installing the necessary libraries and configuring your development environment. Start by installing Python and the Python SDK v2. You can do this using pip, Python's package installer. Additionally, you'll need to set up a virtual environment to manage dependencies effectively. This step ensures that your project remains organized and that you can easily replicate the environment if needed. Data exploration is the first step in the model training process. It involves understanding the structure, quality, and characteristics of your data. Using Python SDK v2, you can load your dataset and perform various exploratory data analysis (EDA) tasks. This includes visualizing data distributions, identifying missing values, and detecting outliers. EDA helps you gain insights into your data, which is crucial for making informed decisions during the model training phase. Once you've explored your data, the next step is pre-processing. Data pre-processing involves cleaning and transforming your data to make it suitable for model training. Common pre-processing tasks include handling missing values, encoding categorical variables, and scaling numerical features. Python SDK v2 provides various functions and libraries to streamline these tasks. Proper data pre-processing is essential for improving the performance and accuracy of your machine learning model. Selecting the appropriate machine learning algorithm is a critical decision in the model training process. The choice of algorithm depends on the nature of your data and the problem you're trying to solve. Python SDK v2 supports a wide range of algorithms, from linear regression and decision trees to neural networks and ensemble methods. Each algorithm has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to experiment with different options to find the best fit for your specific use case. With your data pre-processed and the algorithm selected, you can now train your model. This involves feeding your data into the chosen algorithm and allowing it to learn patterns from the data. Python SDK v2 provides functions to split your data into training and testing sets, fit the model to the training data, and evaluate its performance on the testing data. During this phase, you may need to fine-tune hyperparameters to optimize the model's performance. Evaluating the performance of your trained model is crucial to ensure its effectiveness. Python SDK v2 offers various metrics and tools to assess model performance, such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Additionally, you can use techniques like cross-validation to get a more robust estimate of your model's performance. Evaluating your model helps you identify areas for improvement and ensures that it generalizes well to new, unseen data. Hyperparameter tuning is the process of optimizing the parameters that govern the training process of your machine learning model. These parameters, such as learning rate and batch size, can significantly impact the model's performance. Python SDK v2 provides tools for automated hyperparameter tuning, allowing you to experiment with different configurations efficiently. By fine-tuning these parameters, you can enhance the accuracy and robustness of your model. Once you're satisfied with your model's performance, the next step is deployment. Model deployment involves making your trained model available for use in a production environment. Python SDK v2 supports various deployment options, including cloud-based services and on-premises solutions. Deploying your model allows you to integrate it into applications, enabling real-time predictions and decision-making. This step is crucial for turning your machine learning insights into actionable outcomes. After deployment, it's essential to monitor your model's performance continuously. Over time, the data your model encounters may change, leading to a decline in performance. Python SDK v2 provides tools for monitoring model performance and detecting issues such as data drift. Regular maintenance, including retraining the model with new data, ensures that your model remains accurate and reliable. Ongoing monitoring and maintenance are vital for sustaining the value of your machine learning solution. To illustrate the concepts discussed, let's explore a real-world case study. Imagine a retail company that wants to predict customer churn. Using Python SDK v2, the data science team starts by exploring customer data, pre-processing it, and selecting a suitable algorithm. They train the model, evaluate its performance, and fine-tune hyperparameters. Once satisfied, they deploy the model to predict churn in real time, enabling the company to take proactive measures to retain customers. This case study demonstrates the practical application of Python SDK v2 in solving business problems. To maximize the effectiveness of your model training efforts, it's essential to follow best practices. These include maintaining a clean and organized codebase, documenting your work, and using version control for your code and data. Additionally, it's important to stay updated with the latest advancements in machine learning and continuously experiment with new techniques. Python SDK v2's extensive documentation and community support can be valuable resources in your journey. By adhering to best practices, you can ensure the success and sustainability of your machine learning projects. Training a model using Python SDK v2 is a comprehensive process that involves multiple steps, from data exploration to model deployment. By following the guidelines and best practices discussed in this presentation, you can effectively build and deploy machine learning models that deliver valuable insights and drive decision-making. As you continue your journey in data science, consider exploring advanced topics such as deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. Python SDK v2 provides a solid foundation for these advanced techniques, enabling you to tackle more complex and challenging problems.